So first, we're gonna generate a new user on the flash array, my PX-CSI user, and assign it the storage admin role. Then we're gonna create a new API token for this user. Grab the token and use it to generate the pure.json file. Create a new namespace, we're gonna name it Portworx here, and generate a secret from this pure.json file within that namespace. Log in to the Portworx Central portal and generate a new specs for PX-CSI. I'm gonna select none for the distribution name because I'm using vanilla in my lab, and I will set up my Kubernetes version. Click Save and Download, and use the first command to deploy the operator. Operator deployment should last less than 10 seconds. Once it's up and running, you can go further. Use the second command to deploy the storage cluster. Monitor the deployment, and around 1 minute later, everything should be up and running, and the PX-CSI is ready to provision storage for your containers.